Till I realized I'm a god. Think I heard a bit when I murder shit. In a moment I'll be taking off a tourniquet. When I burn him and I hit him in the sternum, I don't even gotta enter, but I'm gonna win the tournament. That's what I'm all about.
Hey guys, welcome back. If you guys didn't notice, the new update actually brought with it some new weapons. We have the MX Garand and nothing else in primary weapons. I was just being stupid. Then we still have the infamous butterfly knife that I cannot get, the brass knuckles, crowbar, and a sword. The only ones I've tried out of the new stuff are the crossbow, which is right here, the crowbar, the revolver slash shotgun thing that is like an Olympia, and also the MX Garand. If you guys did not notice this, but in your custom games, you can actually get these weapons without buying them by doing this. Go into custom games, set up game, change game mode, community. You can look through here. I can't find it in the popular or trending. I had to go into recent. New weapons. It's not the one I chose. The one I chose was no idea where it is. Oh, but anyways, as you guys can see from these, they have tons of the DLC weapons in here. There's even mod sword, which is probably just the normal sword. And I saw one that said sword fight. That might be fun for you guys to try out. But this isn't what you guys want to see. You guys clicked on this video to watch me try and get the sword or any of the new weapons. I mean, you totally did. Don't lie to yourself. Okay, so here we go. I'm feeling pretty lucky that I might actually get something. Game audio seems kind of loud. I'll fix that in editing. Sorry, guys. But yeah, I feel pretty lucky since a phone's ringing right in front of me. I'm not picking that up. Anyways, I feel pretty lucky since I just got sponsored by No Scope Glasses. They're glasses that help you prevent insomnia from happening while you're playing these video games, or even while you're on your cell phone. Insomnia affects a lot of people, including me. What the hell? Prestige? Is that one of the new camos? Sorry guys, I just gotta... Oh, that's kind of cool, actually. Well, not on the knife. But I like that. Huh. Yeah. So, a lot of people suffer from insomnia. I probably do. I just don't know if I do for sure, since I'm not a doctor. But yeah. For a very small purchase, about $20 to $40 a pair of glasses, you can actually go to sleep at night. For more people, for some people, that's, oh my god, yes. Oh, the battery? Oh. Yeah, I got it. I could care less about the jailbird, probably. I won't be using her for a long time. Come on. Ooh. Ew. No. I got the entire set already. I will use this. Come on, give me something for the Spectre. I got the ritual for a PO6. I'm just gonna keep going. I'm just gonna keep going. I'm gonna have to be hallucinating if I get anything shittier than this. What? 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 Yeah. Before I check out anything else, I finally got my Viking body and head for the ruin. I'm kind of happy about that. But, yo, did I really just get the... Sick. Okay, I'll keep that on. Try and get the body. Come on, give me the body. Come on. Come on. No. That's a head. I wanted a body. Come on. What? Are you kidding me? I just got this. You guys probably can't see, I know you guys can't see me, but I'm staring into the souls of the creators right now. Like, why would they do this to me? This stuff is shitty. I already have that. You guys already saw that. Come on. And also, I have no idea if I'm the first person to be unboxing or even getting this gun. The MX Garand. Oh my god, what? The MX Garand in multiplayer. I have no idea if I'm the first person or going to be the very last person to get it. Yo. Yeah. For some of you guys who actually know me personally, I'm in love with Joker and Batman. He has a golden ass. A golden ass. Really? I could teabag people and it would be worth a lot of money. But yeah, so I like a lot of Joker style stuff. And I'm really happy to get that. And not so happy to get that. I hate hallucination camo. Please, just give me something else. Thank you. We got a few more here, and then we got the COD points. Well, guys, I know which camo I'm using next time for Road to Gold. I don't care what it looks like. I'm just gonna use it. Why am I getting shit on? Come on. Looks like I should probably go into an early retirement soon. Because I'm getting absolutely nothing. Come on, please. Please. I don't want hallucination or dust. No. No. Ooh. Geist? What? She looks like she's a fucking ghost. Not the COD ghosts. An actual fucking ghost. And then this thing looks like it's black and gold. I'll have to check that out. Come on. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Nope. I'm pretty sure they literally told me to go fuck myself. Give me something good. I want that sword. And the butterfly knife. Don't forget about the butterfly knife. Give me that sword. Or knife. Or butterfly knife. I have 1 out of 3 of these things. Can you guys guess which one? Yeah, it's the epic. I don't want any of these, because I already have the outlaw. I don't have that. The Deadeye Shiva grip. I'm gonna get a lot of shit right here. Come on. Yeah. Ooh, I got it. I got it. You can all suck my dick. I got it. I look like a fucking beast. Oh, it matches so well with the gold camo. Oh. If only I got something for my Spectre. Come on, give me something for the Spectre. Come on, you greedy bitch. No. Why? I have this. Give me something new for the Spectre. You guys are just trying to take all my money. Come on. Oh, at least I get a free fucking crate out of this. No way. Yes. Okay, so now I'm going into construction. I'm no longer a plumber. I get to break down walls with a crowbar. Oh, I could care less about the fire break head now. Oh, having a good day. No! I'll take this, but you can take back the transgression knife. Come on. Come on. Come on, give me something good. I get nothing here. Another 2 crates. Or no, another 3. And then whatever else I get out of the burning duplicates. Come on. Come on. Come on. No, nothing. Give me something good. I see some legendaries. Or no, it gives me a rare. Come on, come on, come on. I see legendaries. Come on. One more. Nope. No. No. Have all this shit. I have enough for one more. Come on. Be good. I'll buy one more. I don't have too much money left. I couldn't buy another 1100 points. Come on. This one has to be it. This one has to get something. Something good. I have this stuff. Well, maybe not the Weevil camo, but yeah. Okay, so let's see what I got. I got the samurai body and head. Whatever the fuck this thing is. Geist. I think I've seen a few people with it. Or maybe that's one of the new ones. I don't know. But anyways, I'll try and... There we go, that kind of looks badass. With the head. We got the salute. Yeah. I'll probably use that. Nothing else good for him. Oh yeah, you guys know I love this one. Well, I may as well put it on, since I have it, and nothing else. Like, why does she have band-aids on her face? She is literally the stupidest character ever in my mind. And then I got this bitch. This bitch. Let's do the same thing as the Outrider. Doesn't look too bad. I would have liked to get the body for that, though. Oh. Yeah. I'm rolling in it now. Ooh. So I don't know which one I like better. Probably the Jester. But the Geist is kind of... Geist or Geist. However the hell you fucking pronounce that. You see, I have everything except for these ones now. I'll do the Jester body with this thing. I won't be using him much yet. Finally got something to replace my my Winterbone helmet. I had the Oceanic and Winterbone, but now I need something actually better. Fuck, I don't even think I'll keep this on and then put this to orange. That shouldn't look too bad. Okay, now boom, MX Grand. And oh, that sucks. We can't get the camos for it. Lethal melee crowbar. The right weapon in the wrong place. Oh, that's clever. Huh. Yeah, this one's already level 7. When you want to be that guy. Yeah, sadly that's everything I could get for today. Hopefully I can get more in the future, get some better stuff, and even update my Inspector's look. He's looking very hideous right now, but it catches people's eyes. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will leave a link in the description below for my sponsorship, if you guys want to pick up a pair of those glasses, please use my referral code. And yeah, I'll love you guys forever. So see you guys in the next video.